One caller called, they say, he call. He said, when I say Malam, he said, was thinking, say, nah, just, he said, but when I call, they break down your biography, so you get bachelor degree for pharmacy, you can get masters for business administration. He said, he called surprise. Now I say, Oga is well read now. I been not be Oga.
But Malam in Hausa means person way past doctor.
Okay.
Now decent person for community. Now the kind of person where you go call, follow you go your in-law house, greet them.
Okay.
And they will say now because Malam came, say we go even listen to you. So for Hausa culture, when they carry Malam give you,
yes.
now real respect be that.
You see?
Now people from this side, when they carry Malam, say now only may God be the Malam. Like they say Aboki and all that stuff. Not be like that.
Okay.
In fact, me, I like to be called Malam instead of pharmacist. Because it better pass pharmacist.
Pharmacist. All right, welcome, sir. In our corner, I'm greeting normal traditionally.
Life here, love. Thank you.
Yeah, Aiki, sir.
Aiki day. We just the manager. We the patch am
like the same. Okay. Okay, now we not get time. We just go straight up side. We hear say next week na World Standard Day. Okay, if you don't mind, in like a minute or thereabout, tell us what that kind of thing mean.
Every year around this time on the October 14th, we celebrate standards.
Okay.
Now Standard Day, just like they have Children Day, Independence Day.
Okay.
So this particular day now, then they celebrate standards all over the world.
Okay.
Yes. So that's the story.
Okay. First of all, again, in less than 1 minute or 1 minute thereabout again now, tell us, I beg, for those who don't know. Now you be the Oga of Standard Organization of Nigeria. What will be the work of this agency?
Well, like the name say, now standard. We do follow with the right standard. Standard be say now something where you go to do, where you if you pass them. Say for example, you go Mama Put place. That particular Owonosuf, if you reach one standard, then you go like them. If you pass that standard, you go even better. But if you go below standard, that means that place never come back again. So standard na level.
Okay.
So you with stakeholders, person where they interested for everything, anything you can think of, from food items, industry, anything.
Okay.
We go sit down together with them people, together with experts, say, okay, where we go put standard for this thing, how we go identify them.
Okay.
That's one thing where our people they do. And the other thing we say they do metrology.
Okay.
That metrology na measurement.
Okay.
Where we go factory, say rice factory.
Yeah.
We go help them measure their big machine there where they carry put rice for bag.
Okay.
You know that the use of that thing be say if you go buy 50 kilogram bag of rice,
yes.
you know what make you see 45 kilogram now.
Okay.
And you know one the company no go one see 55 kilogram. So company go lose, you customer go lose. So we help them with that metrology. Okay. The other thing where they do is say now management, quality management system where we go come like this your area here. Yeah. We go teach you how to handle your people, how to put standards so that we treat people equally and make the environment better. We have enforcement because there are bad people out there where they buy substandard goods, they sell, and then they import them. So we there for port. Tender for port, we make sure say all these bad things when they come, we put eye for that thing to make sure the thing don't happen. Okay. And then people will come sneak past us.
Yes.
We go to their warehouse and investigate and we get section where they do law too. So we go prosecute person, go court because we know they break law.
Okay.
If we catch somebody with bad thing, we go just carry and go court. And if the person agrees say he don't do bad thing, then we collect the product or we destroy them and the person will be fined.
Okay.
Sometimes even people get locked up because of these bad things that they do.
Wow.
So organization they big. Now we get plenty work what they do for this country. It's like the heart of industry in Nigeria.
Another year with your guy they talk. If you get question for a guy as regards this matter, another year with he talk say be their work when it concern products and goods, right? You go call us for 0700 951 951 951. Ask Oga meaningful question, and Oga go answer you sharply because we not get time at all because of the way time don't go. Okay, now if I say make I ask you this question, okay, we'll just pick one call for somebody when won't ask Oga question when it concerns standard, when it concerns product and goods. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Thank you. Nagode. Amen. She said, make her come safely and we go home safely.
Okay.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, the 4 lines. Hello, good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Hello.
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 Hello, there the 4 lines.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning. Yeah.
Mangoleka di talk.
Okay, Oga, they ask a question sharp.
Mala ina kwana.
Lafiya lau. Thank
Sanda
you.
zuwa.
Mm-hmm.
My question, what I want ask, get some goods where then they bring out to carry come inside Nigeria. When they not say now fake, and they will still allow that market to be run. Now, sure, una know they know about those.
Well, you know, say the port issue now only recent government allow us to come back there, and we are trying. We work with other agencies to settle there now. It reached 12 years where we never stay for port anymore. So it will take time for us to settle. But before the most important thing we say, when you see something bad for market, the most important thing is you, the customer, now the eye for the organization. When you see bad thing like that, or you buy them, or you even carry them, or take picture of it with your phone, send them to our website, or call our organization. And we get office all over the country. We get 48 office in this 36 state country. Okay. So there should be one office near you. If you carry the product, or tell us where we will go find them. We get department where now intelligent gathering department where then go just get this information from people like Una and come tell us, and we'll go follow up, and any person where we catch them, they do bad thing, we'll go prosecute them.
Okay. Somebody say make I ask you for WhatsApp. He said Nigeria get the best electric cable in the world. He said, so why did they allow importation of substandard cables into Nigeria?
We don't allow people to import anything into this country. Since the government did not say importation of cable is forbidden, whether because there's market for it, the local market is not enough to cover everything. Whatever the reason with that thing is that our job as organization is to make sure anything where we put our eye on, we can make sure it's in a real thing. Okay. So even the standard cable for Nigeria becomes standard because we they put eye for them, we they go their factory every day, we they help them make the team better. And in fact, last 2 weeks, we catch somebody where they do the same thing with a fake cable. Wow. We confiscate everything. Wow. And we are putting them on through court right now as we speak.
I like that. Okay, talking about international standard now, how Nigerian goods fit take meet up with others when you be say for international level, then they not go reject Nigerian goods and product.
As you hear that person tell you, say our Nigerian cable is up to standard. Now the same way you go do other things. Okay. The problem with rejection not be because standard no day. Now like person you get your brother here where they for say England. Yeah. And he call you say ratata say 1 tuber of rice na 10 pounds here. You can't get excited, say gather all the money where you have, you go buy rice for Makurdi and then you put them for container. Yeah. Instead of you to go to the standard organization to find out what are the standards for England and how we go help you now. We go do lab work and everything, like find out the proper measures you're supposed to take, give you certificate, so that when you go port, you go just see the product and you go give them paper, say this thing a real thing. Yeah. You go just carry the yam, just put them for container, go London. Okay. And the moment he arrive there, they go look they go see insect or something, and they will reject it. Okay. So people need to do their homework before they carry anything come up from this country.
Okay, the last question when I go ask you now, as an agency, what will be una challenges?
Well, the thing just be the same problem where we get for this country now. People, for example, my biggest challenge is person go market, buy something where they know say from the beginning, say they know that it not be good thing. Yeah. For example, you want to go home for Benin to see your papa or your mama, and you want your tire don't bust. So you go to market, say make I get Tukumbo. Tukumbo is not good. Yeah. So you already carry your money because you don't want to spend money for new tire. Okay. These are the kind of problems we have. And then other times people will go to the market, buy a bad thing. Yeah. When they find out the thing there, but they just throw it away. They're not going to bring that thing, come see us, give us a receipt, so we go track the person who did that to them. People have to report.
Yeah, so that you will track these people.
Yes,
I like that.
Yes. So don't buy cheap things because you want to save money, because you go save money, but by the time that thing is spoiled 3-4 times, if you just buy better thing from the beginning.
Okay. Okay, so now, which advice you get now, sir, as the DG of SON for market women, market men, businessmen and women? Which advice you get for them, sir?
My advice be say, if you dey peddle bad thing, when the customer buy am one time, I promise you that person no go come back again. It's always better to make sure the thing where they carry, they sell, they market, na better thing. And our people should always remember this thing. Even as we dey pray, Nigeria people will dey pray well. Yes. But the person say we know they carry and put for our head. Say these bad things we are doing, even God they look us. We they harm our people. For example, person will buy bad cable, sell them for market. If you remember for all time when they get this ratio, where they put electricity, the thing they go turn red.
Yeah.
That's how bad cable they do for your ceiling.
Wow.
So it will cook your house.
Yes.
So when you enter current there, the thing will resist them. It will turn red and the house go catch fire. So person where sell this kind of thing, how much profit is the life of people?
Yeah.
How much profit is somebody who spend all their money building their house?
Okay.
Now they want to retire, enjoy their house. They come put light and the house just come born.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, our Oga, the #1 man for SON Standards Organization of Nigeria. When be the DG Malam Farouk A. Salim. Thank you for passing by.
Thank you.
We appreciate you so much. And I thank God, say last year you were here, this time you don't come again. I would appreciate you. Say anytime when you want come, sir, we'll be open for you. In fact, we look forward to us working more and more and more together with you, sir, and your office and your person, sir.
Yes.
Thank you for coming, sir.
It's my pleasure. Hopefully next time I go spend more time with you.
Exactly.
Not be this kia
exactly thing we do just now.
Yeah.
Right? But all the same, people still learn, because if you see the messages for WhatsApp here, they are saying that they are grateful that they have learned a lot even for this small time. All the messages there, just that are not people. They say make I greet you, say make I salute you very, 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 very well.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Whether we go fit still 1 minute because somebody won't get clarification. You say what will be the difference between SON and NAFDAC?
Food and non-food item. NAFDAC they do food and drugs. SON they do everything else. Everything when it be food or drug. Now our area be that.
Okay.
Even your church now we go help you with that one.
You don't hear that one? I be the difference. Sir. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
All right, so.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk Pound.